that's what we intend to showcase along with a press kit which will be given to the media, which will talk more about the film and have pictures and a brochure.
Sanjay, what is this acid factory all about?
It's an... Yeah, to begin with, it's not about drugs.
Who's spilling the acid?
No, we're not spilling the acid on anybody. None of all that. It's an action thriller, and even I am bound by contract by my director not to reveal too much about it.
It's one line.
It's an action thriller.
The line is on screen, I mean on the backdrop. Most thrillers, some thrillers go too far. This one starts from there.
Something about your look especially.
Well, what do you think about this, Stanley, by the way? I want your reaction.
Very glamorous.
You like it? Ooh, okay. Oh, do you want the glass down? Okay. What do you want to know about the look?
About your role.
About my role?
It's something different.
Well, the description for Max is deadly. I can't really get into in depth about the character, can I? I can? Okay, I've been given permission. Max is a criminal, and she's unapologetic about it. There is no sob story, no justification for why she does what she does. She's bad, and I don't think she regrets it.
I know the next question, so let me just answer it. That women usually have nothing to do in my films, but this is not the case. Especially...
That's not true.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, the film is actually about 7 gangsters, and we have created a rather interesting character where, you know, she is all sexy and hot and everything, but is a kick-ass, you know, it's almost like, she is, not almost, is one of the 7. So that's what makes it different.
Is she the boss?
You want me to tell you the whole story?
Is she the boss?
We all wish she was.
Being the lone lady.
Okay, I'd like to mention that, and I really say this with a lot of pride, and because we've put in a lot of hard work. Shantanu Nikhil have styled my look in this film, and they've worked very, very hard on creating Max, and I think 70% of the job has been made easier for me thanks to Shantanu Nikhil. So, if anybody wants to know who's designed the look, it's Shantanu Nikhil.
Yeah, are you doing action also? The way the look. Are you doing action?
I'll be doing some action, yes.
ये आपका आइटम जो है इसमें
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Action packed item.
Action packed item.
दिया अभी आपने स्टेज पे बोला कि कभी भी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर का कोई किरदार होता है तो लोग आपके बारे में सोचते हैं. आप खुश नहीं हैं आपके गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर की इमेज से, या आप चाहते हैं कि लोग आपको ऐसे सेक्सी दिया ही बुलाएं?
Honestly, मेरा मानना ये है कि एक एक्टर का काम सिर्फ एक किस्म का किरदार निभाना नहीं होता. And I find it very frustrating कि इंडियन इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली हमारी हिंदी फिल्म में, एक हर्ड मेंटालिटी होती है. जब भी वो किसी लड़की को एक किस्म के किरदार में देखते हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि हमेशा उसे उसी किस्म के किरदार में कास्ट करें. I think the biggest challenge for any actor is to do an interesting mixed body of work. And I think if you have it in you, you should be able to play any part. And I think it's a challenge for any actor to play different roles. So I'm not saying मुझे problem है, but I'm saying I like to be challenged as an actor, and it's always more fun to do something that's apart from things you've done before.
मनोज आपका इस पे कुछ अलग लुक देखने को मिलेगा
यही है जो है यही
कुछ अलग होगा आपका पहले.
अब उसका तो मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं, क्योंकि अभी तक मैं पहुंचा नहीं वहाँ पहुँच करके क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. लेकिन यह है कि एक अलग तरीके की फिल्म है, तो अलग तरीके की फिल्म और अलग तरीके की कहानी है, तो उसमें ज़रा कुछ नया करने का मन करता है. कोशिश अभी दिमाग में शुरू है, अभी पता नहीं है कितना अलग कर पाऊँगा.
ये जो लुक है अभी आपका राजस्थानी
नहीं अभी मैं अभी लगा लूँगा जाके। हाँ नहीं सच में
संजय, 7 गैंगस्टर की कहानी है, सातों में मुखिया कौन है?
साथों में
मुखिया में बॉस कौन है? बॉस
संजय गुप्ता।
मैं इनमें कोई भी बॉस नहीं है, साथों में कोई भी ऊपर या नीचे नहीं है, सब एक साथ हैं बिल्कुल। इट्स इन द ट्रू सेंस ऑफ द वर्ड इट्स एन एनसेम्बल फिल्म।
लुक है कहीं ना कहीं कांटे से मिलता जा रहा है, मिलता जा रहा है।
हाँ
ऐसे करके वाला लुक है कहीं ना कहीं कांटे से मिल रहा है, कुछ कहानी नहीं मिल रहा, उससे रिलेटेड।
नहीं, ऐसा कहानी बिल्कुल रिलेटेड नहीं है और मेरे ख्याल जहाँ कहानी रुकती है ये वहाँ से शुरू होती है।
सीक्वल है ये।
Part 3, Part 2, I believe you have
Sequel.
worked very hard on your look. Could you elaborate a little? I am
जैसे जैसे मनोज ने कहा जो है
yes. So that we get something, right?
well, my clothes are being done by Shahid Ahmed and he's worked really hard, but I will attribute at least 80% of my work to him. And he's done all the men in this movie, done their clothes, I mean.
In terms of my look, well, it's. I think all our looks, we're all gangsters. All our looks are pretty much on the edge. I mean, be it from the clothes we wear to the way. I mean, the suits or the jackets or whatever. It's characters on the edge. You know, I think the look just pretty much reflects that. And of course, we all have guns in our hand as well. Does that answer your question?
What was your input?
My input, well, it was quite a collaborative process between Sanjay, Supern and myself. And we did go through several sketches and photographs that we had seen that excited us. And we finally narrowed down on a look that we thought best suited this character, which is on the edge.
Was losing weight a part of it?
I'll just finish with this lady here.
Was losing weight a part of it?
Well, not particularly for this film, but I did need to lose weight. I had put on quite a bit of weight, and I am getting back into shape. What more do you want me to say? Sorry, what was your question?
You worked in film before.
Yes,
What
Anna.
made it easier for you to
Easier for me? Well, maybe to the extent of I understand. I probably understand better the way he works, and I think whenever an actor works with any director, you know, it's about understanding where we come as actors and a director. It's important for us as actors to understand where he's coming as a director. So that's the only aspect that would make it easier for me from that sense. But you know, we have some incredible talent here, and Supern's a very passionate guy, and I don't think it would be long before all of us are on the same wavelength and, you know, working like one big happy family. And he's a fun guy to work with.
संजय जी
drafting super.
सुन रहे बड़ी नहीं वो सुन
Well, either you can judge someone by his box office success or by his talent, or both. Yes, our first film did not do too well or as well as we wanted it to do, but that does not take away his talent or his passion for cinema. I believed in Subart from his first movie, and I believe him even now. And irrespective of the fate of this movie either, I'll still work in the future. This film's going to be a hit, by the way, but that's besides the point for now. But I guess that answers your question. I think Sanjay wanted to add something now.
No, like I said, I've maintained this in the past also. I never work with directors looking at their past record. That does not matter to me. I need to know that the person is honest, sincere, is dedicated to his craft, you know, wants to make a film, is desperate to make a film, and that's all.
संजय जी आपकी हर फिल्म में संजू बाबा होते हैं, इस फिल्म में कहीं संजू बाबा है?
जी नहीं, इसमें नहीं.
संजय जी
Association with WildFilms.
हाँ मैं पहली बार कर रहा हूँ इसमें एंड 5 5-6 साल पहले संजय गुप्ता की फिल्में देखता रहा हूँ हमेशा से, लेकिन तब ये लगता था कि यार मैं इन फिल्मों में क्यों नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज द वे ही प्रेजेंट्स हिज फिल्म, द वे ही जिस पैशन के साथ मार्केट में लाते हैं फिल्म को, वो जिस स्टाइलिंग से वो बनाते हैं फिल्म. संजय कॉल्ड मी फॉर मुसाफिर, बट उस वक्त मैं आई वॉज टाइड अप इन समथिंग, मैं कर नहीं पाया. बट मेरी इच्छा थी बहुत पहले से कि मैं संजय के साथ काम करूं. इन्होंने बुलाया, जब स्क्रिप्ट सुनी तो आई वॉज मैं एक सेकंड के लिए भी मैंने नहीं सोचा कि वाई आई शुड बी देयर इन दिस फिल्म. Same means when did I play silent and strong? Long back. No, I'm loud and uncouth and flamboyant and everything, except silent and strong. Except silent, strong, yeah.